everyone, welcome back to my channel. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, it's the perfect time to indulge in a little self-love and treat yourself with something special. In today's video, I'm bringing you along for a cozy self-care, self-love and pampering session with some beautiful goodies that you will absolutely love. I'll be sharing my new perfume collection featuring 5 adorable miniatures and 1 full-size Burberry dupe that smells absolutely divine. If you're looking for a luxurious yet affordable scent, then you wouldn't want to miss this. Plus, I've got a gorgeous necklace from GIVA that makes the perfect jewelry gifts, whether you're treating yourself or dropping some hints for the loved ones. And of course, no pampering session is complete without a little skin and body care. So I will be unboxing and reviewing an amazing skin and body care kit that promises to give you glowing and radiant skin for the date nights. Also, it is an amazing skincare gift box for the girlies. Whether you're spending the day with your significant other, enjoying some well-deserved me time, or are super excited for your Galentine's party with the girls, this video is all about celebrating you. So grab a cup of hot tea, get cozy, and let's dive into the Valentine's Day special self-care haul together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of my latest content. Now let's dive in. I got my hands on a bunch of perfumes from a very beautiful small Indian brand called Vatika. They are so underrated, they genuinely need and deserve some hype. And I'm super happy that they decided to gift me all these to pamper me. I have got like 5 miniatures and 1 full-size perfume, so let us start with the miniature ones. Just for your information, the unboxing is done. I've already opened them. They are all tried and tested, so I could give my genuine reviews in this video. I love their packaging. It's pretty chic and good. This is how the bottle looks. I absolutely love the black color. Just look at the branding, shape and size of the bottle. This perfume is called 24 Carat. Wow, I love it. It smells very aqua, refreshing, and very citrusy at the same time. This is a unisex perfume, so it can go from both male and female. Love it. This is the next one. This perfume is called Magnet. This has a very strong woody fragrance. This is perfect for male. Next we have Signature. It has a very sweet and musky fragrance. This is perfect for male as well. Next one is for the girlies. It's called Rosé or rose flavor perfume. It has oil extract from natural rose petals, so it actually smells like real rose. Well, it is actually a unisex perfume, but I personally feel like it fits the best for female. I mean, we girls love smelling like flowers, especially rose. Now, last but not the least, we have Cool Snow. These are all 20 ml perfume bottles. It has a very refreshing aqua fragrance. This one is for female. Then I got this beautiful Burberry Dupe Perfume. It is called Burberry Weekend. Wow, oh my god, it smells divine. It has a mild sweet undertone with some floral fragrance. This is definitely one of the best perfumes for girls. It smells very luxurious and it is very long lasting. I'm definitely getting a similar luxurious Burberry feeling from this perfume at a very low price. So that is a plus point. I absolutely love this bottle and the packaging is super classy. It is definitely becoming one of my go-to perfume for special events like Valentine's Day and other date nights. I'm going to leave the brand Ramwadiga's Instagram profile link below in the description. Go check it out, check out their catalog and support small Indian brands with me. All the miniatures are like 20 ml perfume bottles and the full size one is 50 ml. Not only that, Ramwadiga's packaging comes with this beautiful thank you note with all the brand contact details as well. Also, they have sent me these two cute little badges to put on my handbags or other accessories, along with these two stickers as well. Now let us move on to the next special gift for Valentine's Day, which is every girl's all-time favorite gift. It's a jewelry piece. I got this beautiful PR gift from GIVA for Valentine's Day. I mean, who needs a cupid when you have GIVA? And trust me, nothing says I love you like GIVA. This is a beautiful phoenix bird pendant necklace with a small heart. This is how it looks. It is so pretty. I love it. It's definitely a perfect gift for the girlfriends. So all the girls, do send this to your guys to give them some hints, you know. It is also a perfect gift for yourself too. I mean, show some self-love, go shop and pamper yourself. I actually don't mind gifting such stunning jewelry pieces to my mom or to my cousin sisters too. GIVA has stunning jewelry pieces for all your occasions. It is pure love. By the way, I have a discount coupon code CHEERY15 to avail 15% extra discount on their app, website or stores. So go check out their products, and if you happen to buy something from them, then why not use an extra 15% of discount? Do let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts on this necklace. Do you like it? Well, I love it and I've decided not to remove it. So I'm going to continue this video with the necklace on. Now let us move on to our special skincare kit. So we all are radiant and glowing for our date nights or for our Galentine's party. Ta-da! Just look at this beautiful packaging. I am in love with this color. The name of the kit is Rose Royale and it is a rose and coconut bath and body care set by the brand Brillare, who has done an amazing job with the luxury packaging. Due to this, I feel like it is perfect for gifting purposes. I mean, it is so cute with this cute little ribbon and the bow as well. It is for rupees 12.95 on Amazon. And I will leave the product link in the description below for you all. Let us open it and see the beauty inside. It has these 4 beautiful products. So let us start with the first product. This is a rose and coconut body wash. It has 5% rose, 10% glycerin, 20% coconut and 65% aloe vera rich cleansing base. Now let us see the second product. This is a rose and coconut body lotion. Again, such cute and sweet packaging. It has aloe vera juice, coconut water, coconut oil, rose, glycerin, sunflower oil, and it is a 100 ml bottle of rich moisturizer. It has 5% rose, 7% glycerin, 20% coconut and 68% aloe vera rich moisturizing base. Now let us see the third product. This is a rose petal and coconut powder face wash. This rose powder face wash is something special. It has all natural rose petal powder with sandalwood and coconut cleanser. Just look at the texture of the face wash. You just have to take a coin-sized amount of this powder on your palm, wet it with some water and then rub it to create a mild foam. Cleanse your face with the foam and then rinse it off with cold water to tighten the pores. This is an amazing natural cleanser and a face wash. It has 70% rose, 6% sandalwood, 18% coconut cleanser, and 6% all natural base, making it all 100% natural face wash. Now let us see the last product. This is a rose and coconut hand cream. This cute little 30 grams of goodness is going to keep our hands soft and supple. It has 5% rose, 10% glycerin, 20% coconut, 65% aloe vera rich moisturizing base, making it 94% natural for smooth and hydrated hands. I absolutely love this bath and body care set, especially in this beautiful rose and coconut flavor. All the products are amazing. They smell so good, especially the moisturizer is super thick that keeps the whole body well nourished and hydrated throughout the day. This is definitely a very good purchase of mine. It is great how these beautiful brands shower content creators and vloggers with such beautiful gifts and pamper us, which makes us feel so loved by them and acknowledged. So, I would like to thank and give some love back to GIVA and Ramvatika for their beautiful gifts right at the time of spreading love. Also, I want to cheers to Self Love, as I am gifting this Rose Royal self-care kit to myself. Guys, let me know in the comments below, what do you like the most? The perfume haul, the necklace, or the bath and body care kit? Please comment below your Valentine's Day plan. Is it a date night, Galentine's party, or self-pampering and self-care session? Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.